As mentioned, my name is Adam Branson. I'm with the U.S. Department of Agriculture, Foreign Agricultural Service. I'm based out of the Office of Agricultural Affairs in Mumbai with the U.S. Consulate. We've got another office for agricultural affairs and do is work on market access, so we work very closely with the food safety, plant and animal health authorities, as well as commerce and trade, to work and facilitate trade so that agricultural products can move from producer to consumer on the market promotion of U.S. agriculture. So along with the U.S. government, we have active in India about 24 different USDA cooperator groups. These are who carry out programs in the India marketplace to help create awareness among chefs, retailers, e-commerce players, food processors, food manufacturers, feed manufacturers, to really help support U.S. agriculture at a much more focused level, and that's what our trade associations do. They have a lot of technical expertise, a lot of trade information, and so after this discussion today, I would encourage you to go downstairs to the main lobby where we have about 5 different USDA cooperator groups down there today, from the apple, from the blueberry, from the walnut, and poultry industries. They're helping create awareness for American products. Again, their job, a lot of technical assistance, and market intelligence, I mentioned earlier, but health and nutrition information. We help work with agriculturalists, plant quarantine, and entomologists in India to really support them and their knowledge, which will really help be transformative to Indian agricultural production. Venture into Chennai, which we're excited about, because having been in India 4 years now, having been in the market 4 years, we see the demand here in Chennai and South India for U.S. products growing increasingly strong, with a great port, great infrastructure, rising consumer affluence and greater disposable income, and even expanding tourism sector.